Welcome to Cooking for My Dog, where kids rule and dogs drool. Hi, I'm Chef Josh. Today we're cooking up a quick, easy, nutritious peanut butter carrot cake. I love it and so will you, and your dog. For this recipe you'll need whole wheat flour, baking soda, peanut butter, canola oil, vanilla, honey, eggs, and shredded carrots. You'll also need an 8-inch cake pan and an adult to help you with the oven.
Hi, I'm Michael J. Rosen, author of My Dog, a kid's guide to keeping a happy and healthy pet. So what do I do?
The first step is preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, I can do that.
Now lightly grease the pan. Now mix the baking soda with the flour and stir. Add the rest of ingredients and mix until smooth. Pour the batter in the pan, swish it down, and pop it in the oven.
Okay.
Bake the peanut butter carrot cake for 30 minutes, then stick a toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, you're good to go.
Arf, 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 arf.
Great ways to share time with your dog, recipes, cool projects, training tips, and games, visit our website.